All right, it's your boy No Chill Chad checking in. I'm on my way to HMP, that is the Houston Motorsports Park. I got me a little Grudge race lined up. It's the first time I'm putting a problem, my 4th gen on the track before I actually put it in the shop to get, to go through the motor. So we're gonna see what it can do, see if I get a couple more runs. As you can see, it sounds real good. I'm just letting it warm up a little bit before I hit this road. I'm not sure. I got on the road a couple times, got in a little street a little bit. Pretty much stopped, but it kind of holds its own weight. I've been saying I'm the fastest 5.7 around, so I done beat a few of them, and I now got another 5.7 that wants to run me. So we'll see what it do, man. See in a little bit. So y'all see that I'm not cheating. Just putting regular old pump 93 in. It's expensive as 93. Maybe running 85 of diesel. It's cheaper. Alright guys, I'm finally at the track. I just did check-in over here. We are here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find, his name is Killshot. I think he's got a 5.7 Challenger. I think it was a shaker. When he was kind of calling me out on Instagram, asked if I wanted to run. A couple weekends ago, I wasn't ready. I just whatever. But he said he was supposed to be out here, so let me go see if I can find him. Turbo Silverado. Kind of wish I had the vert. I would love to put some of these motherfuckers in their place, but life goes on. So grab. I think I found him. What's up, bro? You ready? Alright. I'll let you get this fast and then come right back around. I was like 190. Hey, you have a 160. Really good condition. Bro, his tires lasted like 1 week. by a fender. Good run, good run. What? What? It is. Yeah. It actually spun because I didn't want to go through the water. I didn't want to go through the water. I didn't, like I said, because I was trying to go around, but I didn't. That's my first time at the track. So I was trying to go around the water. So when I did my burnout, as soon as I saw like the car was already spinning, I was like, you know. That bitch come out the hole like a bat out of hell. Shit, you was right there with me, so that means you came out like a bat out of hell. Yeah. All right, guys. Kill shot, he got me. Probably by like maybe the nose of the bumper. Wasn't bad. First time at the track with the 4th gen. It was a really good run. They actually made me go through the water, which I didn't want to do. I tried to go around. There's no way to go around. You got to go through the motherfucking water. So next time I'm just going to try to do more of a burnout so that I'm not spinning or anything like that. I did feel the tire spin, but I was in the groove and it just went. So still pretty satisfied, man. I mean, he's obviously got some work done to his, but like I said, we just getting started, baby. Hey, come on, 40, got 40. So ending my night, leaving the Waffle House. Gotta go around here. Overall, a pretty good night, man. Pretty good night. I'm gonna explain, I guess, when I get to the house, so I'll be in. All right, I'm finally home, and we're just gonna go over pretty much just what happened today, right? All right, so just give you a little brief little rundown. So everything went pretty well. I'll say it did what it could do. The car's only headers in tune for the most part. Some light suspension stuff done, but nothing major. So I will say this is where it messed up. So normally the car is stopped. There is no need for me to go in the water box. There's no need for me to go in the water box. At HMP, there is no way to go around the water box. You must go through the water box. So I did a little burnout just to try to get some of the water off. Actually, the burnout turned out better than I thought it was going to be. The car typically kind of turns sideways because the diff isn't centered, and it kind of just turns sideways. So, like I said, it just turned out better than I expected. So then, take off at the light. I thought I had a pretty good launch. My reaction time sucked, but still a pretty good launch. So we kind of launched at the same time, and we were pretty much neck and neck the whole race until towards the end, he started to pull away a little bit, and he got me by the edge of the bumper. I probably said like a bumper. He beat me by, I didn't see what his time was to really compare. So it was overall good race. Did a little, like I said, a little spinning at the beginning because I had to go through the water box. But overall, pretty good race. Right now, I'm just out there on the streets, on the tracks, really just testing and tuning, seeing how the car reacts. Because it's really just foreign to me on this car. So I'm just learning as I go. And then, a year from now, I'm going to be looking back, and then y'all can be asking me like a lot of questions because I'm going to be an expert on it. That's just kind of what I do when it comes to this car stuff. I keep studying until I know it front to back. So then met my newfound friend, Hemi JC. Y'all can follow him. Check out his TikTok too. It's booming. We chopped it up, and we had some good conversations. And we actually got on the streets ourselves, and we're able to do a couple rolls. We did some 30s, 40s, just to see what the cars worked at. And, my car performed. So now he's kind of second guessing his whole setup. But, his car moves out too. I think my car just moves out for what it is, but it definitely needs to go faster, real fast. We need to get there quickly. So what I've been doing is really just stacking it up, ordering little parts here and there. And I think it's time that I go ahead and start getting this stuff together. I'm ready to put this thing in the shop. I really just been kind of torn if I wanted to do cam or if I want to do the blower now. I don't know. I'm just really torn. But it's time to go faster. But yeah, I hope you enjoy these videos. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, like, subscribe. Maybe I'll get some runs this weekend. We'll see. I think I really seen enough. I don't really need to race that much, really, just to see where the car sits. I have some pretty good data for right now. So I just need to research to see what's it going to take to make my car faster at this point. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know if you got any feedback. I want to hear what you got going on. Let me know what you want to see from me. Let me know what you want to see on my car. I've written up a few proposals, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe we have a few new sponsors, especially for the channel. All right, y'all take it easy. Good night. I'm tired, man.